Standard 8 Subject History. Lesson number 2 Europe and India. Introduction. Indian history is divided into three parts: Ancient Indian history, Medieval Indian history, and Modern Indian history. The modern Indian history has been influenced by the modern period in the European history. Therefore, it is very important to understand the modern period in European history and the transition from medieval period to the modern period. Period of Renaissance. The transition from medieval history to modern history was influenced by certain developments like Renaissance, Reformation, and geographical discoveries that occurred in Europe. These developments took place during the last phase of the medieval period in Europe, that is from 13th century AD to 16th century AD. The same events laid the foundation of modern period in European history too. The ancient Greeks and Romans had rich traditions in the fields of arts, architecture, and philosophy. These traditions were completely forgotten during the medieval period due to various social and political conditions. Renaissance was the revival of those traditions. Those traditions were appreciated and adopted by the European society during Renaissance. Renaissance also brought about changes in the fields of science, astronomy, geography, literature, art, architecture, and religion. Thus, it inspired all round development. A new period in the history of the world started. That period is known as modern period. During Renaissance, man saw himself as the most intelligent animal. Unlike other animals, he could understand good or bad and decide what is right or wrong. He was convinced that he had power to shape his future. Thus, man became the center of all thoughts and humanism became the most important value of this period. The Renaissance covered all aspects of human life, such as the philosophy, literature, science, music, sculpture, painting, and architecture. New works of art were created, new styles were developed in art and literature. Human feelings of joys and sorrows, which were missing in the earlier arts, came to be portrayed realistically. A common man could read and enjoy literature because it was written in regional languages. The inventions of printing press in 1450 AD made the job of printing easy. It also made the spread of new ideas and knowledge easy. The Renaissance period produced personalities like Leonardo da Vinci, Shakespeare, Copernicus, and Galileo. Leonardo da Vinci was a real genius. He was a painter, sculptor, architect, engineer, musician, mathematician, and an astronomer. But he became very popular as a painter. His paintings of Mona Lisa and The Last Supper became eternal. Shakespeare was a great playwright. Copernicus and Galileo were scientists. This period also saw the development of physics, chemistry, astronomy, and other disciplines that are based on experimentation and observation. Religious reform movement. During the medieval period, the entire Europe practiced Christianity. The priests gave undue importance to rites and rituals. They took advantage of the ignorance of the people and practically robbed them in the name of religion. A movement launched to oppose these practices is called Reformation. Geographical discoveries. Till the 15th century AD, the Europeans imported condiments, sugar, silk, textile, and other valuables from the eastern countries. Constantinople or Istanbul was the center of this trade between Europe and Asia because all the land routes between Europe and Asia were across this city. The Ottoman Turks captured the Constantinople in 1453 AD. They blocked all the land routes between Europe and Asia. As a result, the trade between Europe and Asia was affected. Therefore, European sailors like Bartholomew Dias, Columbus, Amerigo Vespucci, and Vasco da Gama tried to find a new sea route to eastern countries like India. In this process, they ended up discovering the new land never known to mankind till then. The Portuguese sailor Bartholomew Dias tried to find a sea route to India around the coast of Africa. He reached the southern tip of Africa. He could not proceed further. He called this tip as the Cape of Good Hope. Columbus set out in search of India towards the west across the Atlantic Ocean to reach India. He landed on the shore which he wrongly believed to be the Indian territory. Later, the Italian sailor Amerigo Vespucci reached the same shore following the route taken by Columbus. Because of him, it became clear that it was not the coast of India. It was new land which he named as America after his name Amerigo. Finally, it was Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese sailor, who discovered a sea route to India in 1498 AD. Intellectual revolution in Europe. During the Renaissance period, changes took place in Europe. It was during this period that the intellectual revolution also took place. The people started advancing and ignored all the blind faith. The pre-established customs and traditions were seen in a critical way. During the Renaissance period, all these changes are addressed as intellectual revolution, which further paved the way to scientific discoveries in Europe. Revolution in political sphere. Many political changes took place in the beginning of modern era in Europe. In the 18th and 19th century, various revolutions took place, and hence this period is known as the Age of Revolutions. During this period, there was developments in the parliamentary democracy in England. There was the change in the form of cabinet system. The England Bill of Rights of 1689 limited the powers of the king and laid the foundation of sovereignty of the parliaments. The American War of Independence. After the discovery of America by Amerigo Vespucci, many Europeans went and settled there permanently. In course of time, many European countries started establishing their colonies. The British founded 13 colonies in North America between 1607 AD and 1733 AD. The British colonies in North America were controlled by the government of England. They were not allowed to produce any good which will compete with the British goods. Moreover, England imposed taxes in the colonies on goods such as tea and sugar. The colonists were angry about the British policy towards them. They united under the leadership of George Washington and Thomas Jefferson and revolted against the England. They demanded that England should remove all restrictions and allow them to govern themselves. England rejected the demands of the colonies. Therefore, the colonists boycotted the British goods. The government of England turned down this demand of the colonists. This led to a war between England and its colonies in America. George Washington led the army of the colonies. In 1789 AD, 13 colonies together established the Federal Republic of America. It came to be known as the USA, that is United States of America. America thus became the first federal democratic republic. America was the first country in the world to have a written constitution. French people became united and ended autocracy, that is called the French Revolution. The first time in the history of mankind, people's power was established. Common people came together and brought about political change. That is why the French Revolution is believed to be the beginning of the history of the modern world. The French Revolution gave the world the valuable principles of liberty, equality, and fraternity. It established the principle of people's sovereignty. This revolution proved to be a source of inspiration throughout the world in the fight against despotism and in struggle of enslaved nations. Therefore, a French Revolution is regarded as a very important event in the history of the man. Thank you.